Guys, na me be this morning. I dey go supermarket to go buy soup. I wan go buy soup wey I go take clean. So this is me biking on my way to supermarket. I'm almost there. The supermarket you dey see for my front, so I don reach. Now I dey walk through the entrance. Now I see this fine thing. Na bed be this or wetin, but thing fine. So now maybe this for supermarket. I dey pick angle wey I go take clean. The small things wey I no get for cleaning, liquid to clean. So I don pick the things wey I want finish. I dey scan am now. Yeah, I dey do self-paid. So I will scan am, then I go pay by myself. I use my phone take pay, so na the same phone wey I take dey record. So I dey scan am, see the price dey go up. So na just few things I come pick up this morning, just things wey I no get. I don scan finish, so I take receipt. Na this receipt wey I take so, I will put inside my bag. Now I take open this place, so you see, and this place will be like it. Without that receipt, I no go fit use am. I no go fit open that place. And then I enter shop wey I want for buy cream. Na another store be this one, another shop be this one. This na drug store for buy cream, makeup and other things. Na just cream I wan buy. This na my new cream lately for sensitive skin, because I stop for use all these different type of organic or different kind of cream wey dey give me, they make me bright. So I just want my natural colors. Now that cream I dey use, and any cream wey I dey use now dey react because I change cream or stop using some kind of cream. So this is my Legacy Benz. So I don reach house. The first toilet wey I clean na Prosper toilet you dey see so. My first son. This is my first son bathroom. This is his bathroom. He have his own bathroom as Togo wey he be. So now he get that toilet and na him bathroom be this. His toilet and his bathroom is together. And na him room I dey so. But I don't tell am say I wan do content, so fear no let me record in room based on respect. I no tell am. If I tell am, I for say make I show una him room. So this one na our own toilet. Na be this one. So this is the second toilet for the house. This one dey apart. So na be this one. I also don clean am. Then upstairs, yes, this one na the bathroom wey dey upstairs. I also don clean am. So na here we get washing machine and other things. You see the things wey I take clean and my ring lamp. So this is how my morning went yesterday.